29th July జాబ్ అప్డేట్స్కి మీకు వెల్కమ్. ముందుగా MSN గ్రూప్ ఈజ్ హైరింగ్ ఫర్ అకౌంట్స్ పేయబుల్ రోల్ హూ ఈజ్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఆఫ్ 0 to 1 years and work location is Hyderabad, and candidate can directly drop a mail to the below mentioned email ID. Next, TechWave is hiring for freshers, qualification diploma or BTech 2023 to 2024 passed outs, and candidate should be ready to work from office Hyderabad location, and skills AutoCAD knowledge and telecom planning and designing, good communication and analytical skills. కింద మెన్షన్ చేసిన ఈమెయిల్ ఐడికి మీ అప్డేటెడ్ రెజ్యూమ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్, అకౌంట్స్ రిసీవబుల్ స్పెషలిస్ట్ at MSN group, and candidate should have 0 to 4 years of experience. Next, TCS is hiring for chat process who is having experience of 0 to 4 years, and candidate should flexible to work for rotational shifts, night shifts and graveyard shifts. Immediate joiners only. Next, HSBC is hiring for international banking voice process who is having experience of 0 to 1, and candidate should be ready to work in rotational shifts, and salary package will be 4 to 7 lakhs plus night shift allowance. Education UG minimum 2 years of experience, graduate fresher to 5 years of experience, cab one side. Next, Tech Mahindra is hiring for junior content writers regional, and this is a contract role. Who is having experience of 0 to 2 years can apply for this role. Next, Cognizant is hiring for freshers who is having experience of 0 to 1 years, and candidate should be ready to join immediately. Next one, CGS is hiring for international voice process. Candidate should ready to work in rotational shifts. 2-way cab will be provided, and 2 to 5 lakhs per annum will be the package. And Genpact is hiring for non-voice process roles. Candidate should have 0 to 2 years of experience and right to work from Hyderabad Mphsis location, and languages known Hindi plus English. Next, Cognizant is hiring for freshers, finance and accounting process, and candidate should have BCom, MCom or MBA, willing to work in any shift, early morning, UK, US, night shifts. Candidate should have basic knowledge of accounts payable or receivable. Next, Infinix is hiring for voice process who is having experience of 0 to 1, and candidate should have good verbal and written skills, able to work in night shifts, good keyboard skills, and well versed with MS Office, medical billing, AR or claims addition experience will be added advantage, and working days will be 5, and Saturday Sunday are fixed week off, and package will be 2,40,000 per annum, and candidate should have 10 plus 2 any graduate PG. And next, IBM is hiring for process associate, finance and administration delivery. I have provided a link in the description. Next, TCS is hiring for French language expert who is having experience of 0 to 2, and package will be 6 to 6.5 lakhs, and willing to work in night shifts. Next, Cognizant is hiring for freshers, BPO international voice, Hyderabad and Pune locations, and I have provided the link in the description. Next, Cognizant is hiring for CPC certified freshers who is having experience of 0 to 2 years in medical coding. Next, ADP Solutions is hiring for SQL role. Next, Indem Software is hiring for manual testing plus mobile testing, who is having experience of 4 to 7 years. CTC 3 to 7 lakhs, shifts rotational, work location Hyderabad. Candidate should join the virtual Zoom call on 30th of July. Next, Equity Solutions is hiring for IPDRG auditor in their Hyderabad, Mumbai and Chennai locations. Candidate should have 2 years of experience in DRG coding. Next, Tech Mahindra is hiring for Associate Analyst PPS. Candidate should have 0 to 1 year of experience. Next, TCS is hiring for chat process, who is having experience of 0 to 3 years, flexible to work in rotational shifts, night shifts and graveyard shifts, and package will range between 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs 3.75. Next, Infosys hiring for Java developer. I have provided the link in the description. Next, VMWARE Infosys is hiring for VMWARE Horizon View administrator, who is having experience of 6 to 10 years. Right to work from Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore locations. Next, Infosys is hiring for .NET Core developer, who is having experience of 3 to 7 years and ready to work from Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore locations. Next, Teksystems is hiring for QA automation, who is having experience of 8 to 13. Next, Genpact is hiring for network engineer, who is having experience of 3 to 8 years, ready to work from Hyderabad, Mphsis location. Next, Genpact is hiring for Linux engineer, who is having experience of 3 to 8 years. Next, Infosys hiring is for Scala developer, who is having experience of 3 to 8 years and ready to work from Hyderabad, Pune, Bangalore locations. Next, Cyient is hiring for campus recruiter, who is having experience of 2 to 6 years. Salary range will be 3 lakhs to 8 lakhs. Next, Oracle is hiring for Oracle SCM Fusion consultant, who is having experience of 8 to 13. Next, ServiceNow Artech. Randstad is hiring for ServiceNow Artech, who is having experience of 10 to 18 years. Next, Kotak Securities is hiring for equity dealer, equity advisor, who is having experience of 1 to 6 years and ready to work from Vijayawada, Visakhapatnam and Hyderabad locations. Next, the Randstad is hiring for service developer, who is having experience of ServiceNow developer, who is having experience of 7 to 9 years, ready to work from Hyderabad, Pune, Delhi, NCR location. And Sutherland is hiring for senior associate R2R process, record to report process. Next, Cognizant is hiring for Java backend developer, who is having experience of 6 to 9 years and candidate should ready to work from Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore locations. Next, ITC Infotech is hiring for Java full stack developer, who is having experience of 5 to 15 lakhs. Next, CGS India is hiring for technical support engineer international voice, who is having experience of 0 to 1 and candidate should ready to work in rotational shifts and the candidate should be immediate joiner. Interview process will be initial screening, assessment, technical round and ops round. Next, Artech Infosystem is hiring for KYC Analyst, who is having experience of 1 to 5 years and shift timings 24/7 and work from office is mandatory, 2 days week off, and interview process will be 3 rounds, version test followed by 2 client rounds. Next, Cognizant is hiring for SDET with API automation, who is having experience of 4 to 9 years and ready to work from Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore locations. Next, Wipro is hiring for automation test engineer, who is having experience of 6 to 8 years and ready to work from Hyderabad, Bangalore locations. Next, ServiceNow is Capgemini is hiring for ServiceNow professional who is having experience of 4 to 6 years. Next, Cognizant is hiring for senior AR caller who is having experience of 1 to 4 years. Next, B Technologies is hiring for senior team leader HCC medical coding who is having experience of 8 to 12 years, and salary range will be 9 lakhs to 7 lakhs. Next, Sutherland is hiring for business development manager who is having experience of 8 to 13, and next, LTIMINDTREE is hiring for Salesforce Commerce Cloud developer who is having experience of 4 to 9 years, ready to work from Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore locations, and Sutherland is hiring for AR callers who is having experience of 1 to 5, comfortable to work in night shifts, ready to join immediately or 15 days notice period. Night shift allowances 100 per working day, Saturday and Sunday fixed week off, two-way cab facility within 25 kilometers, 24 leaves in a year, up to 5,000 incentives, self transportation bonus up to. Next, Tech Mahindra is hiring for project coordination, event coordination, budgeting, and admin roles who is having experience of 2 to 5 years and ready to join at Hyderabad location. Next, Cognizant is hiring for REST Azure with automation architect who is having experience of 10 to 4 years, ready to work from Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai locations. Next, Larsen Turbo is hiring for tech talent acquisition specialist who is having experience of 3+ years. It's a contract role, 1.5 year of contract. Next, Tech Mahindra is hiring for freshers and experience who is having experience into customer support. Next, Capgemini is hiring for Java Parallel developer at Pune location. Next, HCL is hiring for HR interns who is having 0 months of experience. Next, Tata AIG is hiring for health claims department. Next, HCL is hiring for SAP freshers who is having experience of 6 to 22 months of experience into SAP ABAP, SAP Mphasis. Next, R1 RCM is hiring for talent acquisition leaders who is having experience of 10 to 15 years, both technical and non-technical hiring, proven experience in people and stakeholder management at Noida and Gurgaon locations. Next, TCS is hiring for Chennai location, SharePoint Power Platform, MS Infra, SME Exchange. Next, Tata Elxsi is hiring for Android OTT TV developer, experience 7 to 13, location Chennai, Bangalore, Trivandrum. Next, Jubilant Food is hiring for data engineers who is having experience of 3 to 5 years. Next, Cognizant is hiring for Google Ads specialist who is having experience of 3 to 5 years, work location Hyderabad, Gurgaon. Next, HCL Tech is hiring for interior trims who is having experience of 4 to 10 years and CTC 15 lakhs, location Chennai. Next, TCS Ahmedabad is hiring for multiple roles, SOC, email security, network security, cloud security, Azure AD. Next, EY India is hiring for a Salesforce developer who is having experience of 4 to 12 years and ready to work from Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Gurgaon, Noida and Delhi locations. And Mphasis is hiring for trader who is having experience of 2 to 3 years. Next, EPAM is hiring for senior test automation engineers who is having experience of 7 to 12, and key skills will be C plus Selenium A plus API testing. Next, EY is hiring for project manager wealth management role in Pune location. Next, Health First Tech is hiring for QA role. Next, Spirit Spark is hiring for MuleSoft developer who is having experience of 4 to 6 years. Next, HCL is hiring for SAP CPI who is having experience of 4 to 8 years. Next, TCS is hiring for ABAP technical consultant with 6 to 8 years of experience, ready to join at Hyderabad location. Next, Quantum Leap is hiring for executive admin for their client, work location Mumbai, experience 5 to 8, ready to join within 15 days. Next, MRT Infotech is hiring for Java developers with 6 to 12 years of experience, ready to work from Chennai, Bangalore location. Next, MSN Labs is hiring for multiple roles, microbiology, TSG, research and development, engineering departments. Next, HCL is hiring for a delivery lead, health check to join their team in Hyderabad. Next, TCS is hiring for Java full stack plus React developers with 5 plus years of experience. Next, Lenskart is hiring for intern in talent acquisition team at Bangalore location. Next, Birlasoft is hiring for a SailPoint developer with 4 to 8 years of experience at Gurgaon location. Next, Teksystems is hiring for Linux admin at Bangalore location. Candidate should have 5 plus years of experience. Next, Yes Technologies is hiring for senior software engineer with embedded firmware at Pune location. Next, Teamless is hiring for mainframe specialist who is having experience of 5 to 8 years and ready to work in contract to hire role. 1 year, maybe based upon your performance, it may extend. Work location Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, Gurgaon. Next, Genpact is hiring for record to report at Kolkata location. Candidate qualification should be BCom and preferred qualification CA Inter, CMA Inter, ICWA Inter. Candidate should work from office and ready to work in US shifts. Max notice period will be 48 days. Next, Karo Health is hiring for medical coding freshers, medical coding manager who is having experience of 12 to 15 years at Noida location. Next, Hexaware is hiring for SAP consultant, SAP BTP consultant who is ready to join immediately. Next, Status Tech is hiring for full stack developer who is having experience of 4 to 14 years. Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai and Pune will be the locations, and 30 days will be the notice period. Next, TeamWare is hiring for their client. Next, HCL is hiring for SJWAN skill who is having experience of 8 to 18 years at Nagpur location. Next, HCL Tech is hiring for lead data scientist role. Next, Live C Jobs is hiring for multiple roles. Java developer lead with 5 to 10 years. Golang developer with 5 to 10 years. Cloud developer with 5 to 10 years. C++ developer with 5 to 10 years of experience. Next, Datamatics is hiring for IVR application developer based on OKMOS MI Argent. Who is having experience of 10 plus years of experience. People Strong is hiring for employee experience specialist who is having experience of 2 to 5 years. Next, Antino is hiring for multiple roles. React JS developer with the 2+ years of experience, Marin Stack developer with 2+ years of experience, Node.js developer with the 2+ years of experience, Java developer, DevOps developer, Python developer, Android developer, React developer, US UI developer, designer, graphic designer, and TeamWare is hiring for SAP TM consultant who is having experience of 8 to 10. Next, KBIT is hiring for solution architect specializing in VCU development. Next, Tech Mahindra is looking for a senior DFT engineer with 5+ years of experience, and candidate should ready to join from Bangalore location. Next, Jubilant Biosis is hiring for research associate, senior research associate, research scientist, senior research scientist who is having experience of 1 to 6 years and qualification MSc, PhD and postgraduate can apply. Next, Live C Jobs is hiring for Power BI with banking domain experience who is having experience of 4 to 9 years, and candidate should ready to work from Hyderabad location. Next, R-Band Sasia is hiring for Burger King is hiring for restaurant general manager and assistant restaurant general manager for Greater Noida and Noida locations. Next, LTIMINDTREE is hiring for Azure Databricks. Next, Teksystems is hiring for Azure DevOps engineer who is having experience of 4 to 6 years. Next, Coforge is hiring for travel agent. GDS is mandatory candidate. EY is hiring for talent acquisition assistant manager. Next, Advantmed is hiring for assistant manager MIS at Gandhinagar, Gujarat location. Next, Teleperformance is hiring for international and domestic campaign designation team leader and quality analyst. Next, Randstad Enterprise is hiring for HR coordinator. Next, TCS Hyderabad is hiring for multiple roles who is having experience of 4.5 years, and 3rd of August is the walk-in drive, and job description is Oracle EXA data and DBA, MuleSoft Pega, Oracle HCM technical, Salesforce LWC developer, Java Spring Boot. Next, Reliance Jio is looking for HR talent management executive, assistant manager, deputy manager who is having experience of 2+ years as a team lead. Next, Micron is hiring for Hyderabad location standard cell design engineers with 2+ years of experience. Next, Intellisoft Shift is hiring for data engineers. Next, TeamWare is hiring for MIS reporting executive who is having experience of 1 to 2 years. Next, TeamWare is hiring for senior associate COCE trade processing and support executive who is having experience of 5+ years. Next, Cognizant is hiring for Power BI developer. Next, Teksystems is hiring for Java developer at Bangalore location. Next, LTIMINDTREE is hiring for a Snowflake admin with 5 to 12 years of experience. Next, Yes Technology is hiring for Salesforce developer. Next, Factset is hiring for next, CGI is hiring for Groovy Java developers. Next, MSN is hiring for research and development executive. Next, Mahindra is hiring for professional with 92 years of experience in component testing of EPTHW and validation. Next, Capgemini is hiring for AEM developers, senior AEM developers, AEM tech leads who is having experience of 4 to 12 years, ready to join within 60 days. Next, Genpact is hiring for process developers who is having a BCom qualification and work experience, at least 2 years of experience in cash applications and accounts receivables. Next, Tata AG is hiring for investigation department who is having MBBS plus BHMS degree for doctors. Next, Sonalika is hiring for ITI candidates. Next, Tata AG is hiring for health claims team. Next, LTIMINDTREE is hiring for senior software engineers who can ready to join within 30 days and 6 to 8 years of experience. Next, TCS Bangalore is hiring for multiple roles. Next, LTTS is hiring for 5G RAN testing at Bangalore location. Next, Star Air is hiring for senior security agents and security agents. Candidates should have 3+ years of experience. Next, Tech Mahindra is looking for quality analyst for a blended voice process at the Kolkata location. Candidates should have a QA experience is mandatory. Next, DXC Technology is hiring for technical support engineer. Next, Genpact is hiring for customer service voice at Gurgaon location. Next, LTS is hiring for LAN testing for Hyderabad and Bangalore location. Next, TCS Pune is hiring for SAP ABAP, SAP Basis, SAP FICO, SAP HD, SAP Security, SAP MM, Oracle Apps Finance, Oracle Technical Service now. Next, ICICI is hiring for HRBP role who is having experience of 4+ years, ready to work from Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Chandigarh and Chennai locations. Next, TeamLease is hiring for BCom BCA interns who is having 0 months of experience and the stipend will be 15,000. Next, TCS Bangalore is hiring for SAP Advanced Application. Next, SAP ERP Team Management, SAP MM, Salesforce, SAP Business Object, Oracle EPS Technical, SAP ERP Sales and Distribution, Oracle SOA, OSB, SAP Basis, SAP FIORI, SAP ERP, Oracle Finance Cloud. Next, Teksystems is hiring for Java developers who is having 5 to 9 years of experience. Next, MyCloud Extreme is hiring for full stack plus React.js developers. Next, Bosch is hiring for SAP APO at Hyderabad location. Next, Tech is hiring for product manager. Next, TCS Chennai is hiring for SAP ABAP, SAP Basis, SAP FICO, SAP HD, Oracle Apps Finance, Oracle SCM, Salesforce, ServiceNow, Workday, Appian, OutSystems roles. Next, HCL Nagpur is hiring for SAP skills. Next, Karo Health is hiring for medical coders. Next, Arabindo Galaxy is hiring for MIS analyst. Next, Deloitte is hiring for sales representative in its human capital alliance team. Candidates should have SAP success factors or Oracle HCM driven by people strong. Next, Global Logic is hiring for Angular engineer with 5 to 7 years of experience. Next, Dr. Reddy's is hiring for program lead analyst and insight. Next, Cognizant is hiring for benefits administration services associate. Next, CareerNet is hiring for embedded test engineer. Next, EY is hiring for business analyst. Next, Teksystems is hiring for Azure Data Factory support. Next, TeamWare is hiring for administrative assistant who is having experience of 3 to 8 years. Next, Mphasis is hiring for a delivery module lead with 5 to 8 years of experience. Next, TCS is hiring for Java technical architect with 8 plus years of experience. Next, Mediplus is hiring for position of management trainee. Next, Cyient is hiring for AMS verification senior engineer technical lead with 3 plus years of experience. Next, Genpact is hiring for management trainee with 3 plus years of experience. Next, Live Connections is hiring for Java full stack developer. Next, Nugentsoft is hiring for sales professional. Next, Coforge is hiring for delivery manager position with 20 plus years of experience. Next, Genpact is hiring for AWS Infra Architect, Azure Infra Architect, AWS DevOps Engineer, Azure DevOps Engineer, Senior Data Engineer, Senior Python Developer. Next, Yes Technology is hiring for Python developer. Next, Mphsis is hiring for development for delivery module lead with 5 to 8 years of experience. Next, HCL Tech is hiring for PeopleSoft technical consultant. Next, Mphasis is hiring for software engineer with 2 to 4 years of experience. Next, Tech Mahindra is hiring for international chart process. Next, Genpact is hiring for senior manager role. Next, TCS is hiring for service now role. Next, Live Connections is hiring for non-voice process role. Next, Mphasis is hiring for a delivery project lead with 7 to 10 years of experience. Next, Codefi is hiring for HCC medical coders. Next, HCL Tech is hiring for SAP CO. Next, EY is hiring for GCP data engineer.